bypass FRP lock very easily in any kind of Samsung mobile phones. First of all, you have to connect your mobile phone with a Wi-Fi network. So you can see that Google wants to sign in just because of bypass lock. So you need a valid SIM card to unlock it. You can use any kind of valid SIM card which is available in your country. Now connect your mobile phone with your PC. Now you need a software in your PC which is Samsung FRP tool. Download link given in description. Open the software, click on scan, then choose your port. And now go to speed and select 9600. And now input your customer care number of your SIM card. I have given 121 cause it's the customer care number of my SIM card. Then click on open. And after a while click on call icon. You can see it's calling customer care from your phone. Then swipe and click on the internet icon. Select your browser. You must select internet browser, not the Chrome. Input an URL on your browser which is GOOGL/8W9V2G. And now download Quick Shortcut Maker. Now download another app, which is Google Account Manager, which is in various types like KitKat, Lollipop, Marshmallow and Nougat. I am downloading Lollipop because it's my operating system. After the download, click on the bookmark, then click on history, click on download history. Now install Google Account Manager first. After that, now install Quick Shortcut Maker. Now open Quick Shortcut Maker. Go to search and type Google. Select Google Account Manager. Select Google Account Manager, type email and password. Click on Try. Tap that three-dot icon and click Browse Sign In. Now enter your any kind of Google email ID and password. And then sign in. After sign in, please restart your mobile phone. You can see your account is added, which means your bypass is unlocked, and now enjoy. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and please do comments, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.